22 is a significant time when we are going with the Aruna Prashna section, trying to know more and more about Aruna Deva. Surya Bhagavan, right in the morning, before he becomes a Surya, he will be known as Aruna, crimson colored globe, which appear in the morning. And again, while setting, also he will get back to his that kind of picture and then tries to set himself. So right from morning and night, evening, setting time, he is called as Aruna Prashna. Aruna is attractive and he is very gracious. At that time, we can see him directly with our naked eye. But when once he passes the stage of Arunatvam, then it is hard for us to look at him at all. Therefore, this is a wonderful situation where you find sun. But we have got the great rishis. So many rishis are there who have tried to get into the knowledge of Surya Bhagavan and told us that Surya Mandalas are there, 8 Suryas are there, and the Surya is called as Aditya, the son of the Aditi and Kashyapa Prajapati, and so on. We have got so much of knowledge. And on the other hand, apart from all the knowledge in Ramayanam, Aditya Hridayam gives us a total picture of Surya Bhagavan, that is the Hridaya, Aditya Hridayam. That is where how the Aditya is influential and to all people at all times, unaffected by the changes that happen upon the ground. So, Pasyan Janmani Surya. Surya Bhagavan is only looking at the people being born, getting out, being again born and all that. But Surya Bhagavan is not at all disturbed. He is just only watching because he is constant, while people upon the ground are not constant. Therefore, we have got to know about this Surya Bhagavan. And so we have this Taittiriya Aranyaka, where the very opening section, there are the Prathama Prashna. In Taittiriya Aranyaka, there are 6 Prashnas. Prashna is chapters or books or sections. In these 6 sections, we have this a great god, Aruna. Therefore, we are now going on with Aruna. We have sufficiently introduction given to this Aruna Deva. And now we'll go with where we have stopped. So start with the prayer. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
Om Badram Karnebhi Shrunuyama Devaha Badram Pashe Makshabiryajatraha Sthirairangai Stustu Bhagum Sastanobihi Vesema Deva Itai Yadayuho Swastina Indro Vruddhashravah Swastina Pusha Vishwavedah Swastina Staksho Arishtanemihi Swastina Brahaspatir Om Shanti 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 Om Agne Naya Supataraye Asman Vishwani Deva Vayunani Vidvan Yuyodhyasma Juhurana Meno Bhuistam Te Nama Vuktim Videma Om Shanti 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 Om Abrahman Brahmana Brahma Vachasi Jayatam Arashtre Rajanya Shura Ishabhyo Ati Vyadhi Maharato Jayatam Dogdrim Denur Vodhan Advan Ashu Saptihi Purandirkyosha Jishno Rateshtha Sabhe Yuva Asya Yajamanasya Viro Jayatam Nikame Nikamena Padjanyo na Varsatu Palavatyo na Voshadaya Pacyantam Yoga Kshemo na Kalpetam Om Shanti 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 Om Apyayantam Amangani Vakpranaschakshuh Stotramato Balamindriyani cha Sarvani Sarvo Brahmopanishadam Maham Brahma Nirakuryam Mama Brahma Nirakarot अनिराकरणमस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु तथात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु ओम शांति शांति शांतिः ओम पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति शांति शांतिः हरि ओम नमस्ते.
Very good. So we have made prayer where Paramatma Surya Bhagavan Aruna is Purna. So always he remains a Purna. And Kalidasa told us Purnatvam Gauravaya. So if at all we want to have the heaviness or weightage and all that, or respect, Purnatvam is important. Therefore, in fact, we know that the crescent moon on the crest of Lord Shiva, what is he doing? When Shiva is doing penance and the whole atmosphere is so serene and calm and quiet, then what could be the work for the crescent moon as an ornament, Chandrasekhara? Then the poets will imagine that even the crescent moon also is doing penance along with Lord Shiva, that he becomes a Purna Chandra on the crest. But the penance of Shiva will not end. Similarly, this penance by Chandra also will not end. Both continue to be like that, because this tapas is something unending. Like that, here, and in order to know that kind of great Paramatma, we have the interference of number of rishis. And we have been knowing some rishis, because the knowledge of Surya Bhagavan comes to us only because of the contribution by the various rishis and Rishikumaras. Because they try to investigate into the cosmos or heavens and try to, for example, we see, we know that Ko antarikshe sabdam karoti iti. Who is that who is making sound in the sky? Like that, some questions and questions have been introduced to us and we get answers for them. And now we are there just before what section that Rama Emanuru has opened. Before that, we should know a little that Jamadagni Maharshi is mentioned. That is Jamadagni Rapyayate Chandobhischaturuttaraihi Ragnasomasya Truptasaha Brahmana Viryavata Shivana Pradisho Dishaha. So in this Jamadagni Maharshi is making all beings happy, because he is able to pass on a number of mantras of knowledge in different meters, which are more than 4 syllables. And they are making all people stronger and enjoy the life span upon the earth. And also because of these mantras and anushtana of them and sacrifice and all that, even the quarters are also Brahmana Viryavataha Pradisho Dishaha. Disha and Pradisha, that is the quarters and subquarters, the atmosphere, all of that have become Viryavata, have become very strong, congenial to be able to provide necessary things and auspiciousness to people living upon the earth. And afterwards, we have got one small Shanti mantra, which is taken again from Rigveda, Purusha Suktam. The opening mantra is, which is there, been taken. That is what we have seen, that Tachayo Ravruni Mahe Gatum Yagnaya Gatum Yagnapataye Daivi Swastirastunaha Swastirmanushebhyaha Urdhvam Jigatu Bheshayam Shando Astu Dvipade Sham Chatushpade. Before that, we have got a prayer for Shanti. Pruthivi Shanti Rantarikshagum Shanti Disha Shanti Pradisha Shanti. So because of the presence of Surya Bhagavan and other factors and grace of several rishis, the atmospheres is very much calm and quiet and congenial for human life upon the earth. And moreover, we are making prayer to the God. We try to prefer Vruni Mahe is to preference. There may be some Shantis, but among all Shantis, we want that Shanti which we do not know, but which Paramatma is willing to grant us. Therefore, there is a word as Tat Shanti. That Tat is always an undefinable truth. That's why we say Tattva Masi. When you say that, Tvam Tat Asi, Tvam Asi, Kim Tat Tat. That's why this Tat is a very interesting investigation work, where it is impossible, it is not possible for us to know exactly what it is. Therefore, we leave that margin of safety and santi to the Paramatma himself. ನಾನೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಪ್ಪ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So we leave that margin to the Paramatma. And why you want that kind of absolute peace? It is only for the Gatum Yagnaya, Gatum Yagnapataye. So in order that we will be able to work for the Yagna and Yagnapati, and so that there will be a Daivi Swasti upon all human beings upon the land. And human beings again got divided into bipeds and quadruped. So the creation, the beings are all created. And so there should be Jipadas, two-legged animals, Chatushpada, four-legged animals, and all that we talk it. And again, we have already come across that Somapa, Asomapa, iti nigata vyakhyata. So here, even among the gods, there is a division. There are a number of divisions among the gods. Otherwise, we call them as a classification of gods. Classification of gods itself is a big scientific job, which our rishis have done, which Yaska has done, which so many people have tried to derive. They have tried to derive and divide and give us an understanding of the number of gods. For example, here, because the gods are the patrons of the Soma juice, supposed to be a very, very expensive, very powerful, exhilarating juice, which is our drinking, which is liked by all gods. And among gods also, there are people who are eligible or who get the share of the Soma Rasa and also the things. So that's why we see that the Soma sacrifice is a very important sacrifice among some sacrifices. In fact, my guru used to say that almost all the sacrifices promoted, designed, and introduced by our Yajurveda is one or the other way offshoot of Soma sacrifice only. Therefore, the Somapa deities are there. And those people who perform Soma Yaga, they are all getting the designation and fame as Somayajis. You know that there are so many Somayajis even now. They don't know anything about Soma sacrifice, nor deities, nor the procedure, nor anything. They are all different. But they just take the name as Somayaji, and that is the truth of our Hindu tradition and Indian system. Because we are all here only enjoying the work done by our ancestors. So that's why Pitru Devatas, they are very important. Therefore, every day we are advised to say, Namo Devebhyaha Swadha Pitrubhyaha. Devatakalige Namaskara, Pitru Devatakalige Swadhakara. Because they cannot have Swaha, because they don't have a stomach. The moment one leaves the body, the stomach is also burnt. But then the status of the Pitru Devatas becomes different. While gods have got still stomach, we believe. So like that, we have got the chance to drink Somarasa. They're all called Samapaha. Asomapaha means those who cannot have the thread. So both of them, whether they are Somapahas or Asomapahas, this is how this has been told. Nigada Vyakhyata. So we have got the Vyakhyana or explanation or mentioning and explanation done by the Nigadas. Nigadas are the Vedas. So that's why he said that among the classifications mode done, another classification which our Aruna Prashna, I think, suggests is divide the gods into Somapas and Asomapas. And when you go to the Taittiriya Upanishad, there also you have got number of kinds of gods. Ajanujanam Devanam Anandaha. So they have got Devatas also get divided into Janu, keeping that as a standard. So that's a different subject which will go into the section of mythology of the Veda. In fact, the first Vedic mythology has been attempted by German scholars, because we in India are worried about the mantras, but we have got still Yaskacharya and some such great earlier commentators on the Vedas have tried to give. For example, we have got terrestrial gods, that is Agni is said to be that Bhudevata, that is called connected to the Bhumi. And we have got Antariksha Devatas, Vayu Devata, and Juloka Devata, Surya Bhagavan. And so we have got, we have all this kind of classification, and this is one. And now our Rama has kept it readily where from we have to start, so that we need not ask Govindaraj where we stopped, because so we are now going with that. Please repeat. Om Sahasravrudiyam Bhumihi.
Om Sahasravrudiyam Bhumihi. Om Sahasravrudiyam Bhumihi.
Param Vyoma Sahasravrutu.
Param Vyoma Sahasravrutu. Param Vyoma Sahasravrutu.
Asvina Bhujyuna Satya.
Ashvina Bhujyo na Satya. Ashvina Bhujyo na Satya.
Viswasya Jagataspati.
Vishwasya Jagataspati. Vishwasya Jagataspati.
Jaya Bhumi Patir Yoma.
Jaya Bhumi Pati Vyoma. Jaya Bhumi Pati Vyoma.
Mithunam ta aturyathu.
Mitunam ta atyuryatiho yatuho. Mitunam ta atyuryatuho.
Putro Bruhaspati Rudraha.
Putro Bruhaspati Rudraha. Putro Bruhaspati Rudraha.
Sarama iti Stri Pumam.
Sarama iti Stri Pumam. Sarama iti Stri Pumam.
Shukram va manyadya jatam va manyatu.
Shukram va manyadya jadantam. Shukram va manyadya jajatam.
Anyatu.
Anyato.
Vishurupe Jaurivavastha.
Vishurupe ahani dyaurivastaha. Vishurupe ahani dyaurivastaha.
So this is also a very important passage. We get to know about the human, not only human relations, but divine relations. Because the prapancham is only prosperous only when people are related. When things are related. Without relation, there cannot be any kind of attachment. Without attachment, life cannot be progress. So that's why we have got a beautiful truth being expressed in the Aruna Prashna, that it beginning from the Bhumi. So the Bhumihi Sahasravrutu, Iyam Bhumihi, this particular earth is Sahasravrutu, is occupied by many people. Vrut means pervaded, occupied or pervasive. So this earth is having all sorts of people upon that. That's why we call Bhumata. Rakshasas are there, Rishis are there, mountains are there, Manavas are there, ordinary Manavas are there, highly. That's why Rishis are everything. That's why the earth has not got any kind of discrimination, but hold all people. That's why Bhumi is called like something like a mother. The children born to the mother will not be same. Each one is independently different, but to all of them, mother is common. Like that, here also, this Sahasra Vrutu Bhumihi. But still, and again, the same thing is the truth for the heaven also. Param Vyoma Sahasra Vrutu. Vyoma, this Akasham, the heaven, even in the heaven also is occupied by people. But those people who occupy the heaven, they are by name gods. See, because Sahasra Vrutu means gods are little different. They are elevated beings known for some virtues, which virtues are not found in humans. Because all humans are subjected for Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. Plus are there. Many more pluses are there apart from the Sattva, Rajas, Tamo, Gunas, and so on. So, but gods have got some different character in them. Therefore, they are called as, if at all you want to go to heaven, you have to work upon the land and see that you become eligible to fly. Something like you see the aircraft. So for aircraft, the land engineers and land workers must go, ground engineers must vacate, allowing the aircraft to go into flight. Even the stopper for the front tire of the aircraft also to be removed. Absolute. And such type of freed people are the gods. And such freed people, heaven is the only one area where they can be completely happy. They no more can remain. That's why upon the earth, people are always subjected to the Kama Krodhas, and therefore, Krishna Paramatma in Bhagavad Gita will hamper our head with yogas, saying that Samatvam Yoga Uchyate. Aya, you have got so many things, Trigunas are there, and Shat Ripus are there, etc. But what you have got to do is develop yoga. That's what Samatvam, equipoised mind. And equipoised mind also is very hard. Secondly, there should be also Sthira Buddhi and also Sthita Sankalpa, and all that is necessary. That's why, and Arjuna puts a question, Sthita, who is the Sthitadhihi? And he is Muni. And how do I get that kind of thing? Vairagyena Grukhyate. And so in Bhagavad Gita, we have got all that connection in order that we go to Vyoma or higher elevated planes of life. Namgenu unde kade irbardu. 20-30 ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ 40-60 ಮನೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, because we don't want to continue in that. So if you are lucky, you get 40-60 and go elevate yourself. That's why Vyoma ಅನ್ನೋದು param. Param ಅಂದ್ರೆ supreme. We always want to go to a supreme lokas or supreme comfortable. If you are staying in 15,000 square foot, you want to stay in the 20,000 square feet house. Yakandre, you will have more air to breathe. That's what some people say. Like that, Vyoma Param. It is really sacred and superior. And therefore, Sahasra Vrutu. Sahasra Vrutu means when Bhumi and Akasha put together, the population will be immense. The population, we get divided. Some people, so many countries are there. In all countries, human beings are there. And that's why, what is the difference that you find, though you find human beings in all places, but what is the surprising thing is Vesha, Bhusha, Bhasha. You make Deshatanam, you like to go to different places and areas. Why Sivalingaya? Not because to see a human being. You are yourself a human being. Alva. What is in you is in all people. That's why all hospitals are same. This all electronic gadgets are same. But what is the difference between that is Vesha, Bhusha and Bhasha. Vesha andre attire, dressu. Bhusha andre alankaragalu, or professions, etc. Avella Bhusha antare. That what we acquire, BA, BSc, BCom, MBA, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಭೂಷಗಳಲ್ವಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಟೇಲಿರಬೇಕು. ನೀನೇನಪ್ಪ BE-ನಾ, BSc-ನಾ, MA-ನಾ, PhD-ನಾ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊ. ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್, NT ರಾಮಾರಾವ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೇಮ್, NT ರಾಮಾರಾವ್ BA ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ BA ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. See, those days have gone when degrees are so much important because all people could not go. So ನನ್ನ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ NT ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಟೈಟಲ್ಸ್ ಬರೋವಾಗ MT ರಾಮಾರಾವ್ BA ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ನಾವು. ಈವನ್ ಮದುವೆ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರು, ಮದುವೆ ಅವನು ಹುಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸೋ ವಿರುಳ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಭೂಮಿ ವ್ಯೋಮ ಪರಂ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಹಸ್ರವೃತು. ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಫುಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. Whether you call them gods or yakshas or kinnaras or kimpurushas or siddhas or sadhyas or manavas or rakshasas, whatever you call. But names are there, nama and rupa. See, when once we are born, we are having two things, nama and rupa. When once we die, we lose nama and rupa at all. Hauda? Henry, avridra, gottelri ನೋಡಿ. That's why Potana says in Bhagavatam, Kare Rajulu Rajyamul Kalgare Garvonatin Chandare Vareri. He'll put a question, where are those gods or kings? Rajyamul Kalgare, they expanded their kingdom. Garvonatin Chandare, they became extremely proud of their own assets. Vareri, where are they? Is there at least their names registered at all? But there are some people like C.P. Chakravarti, Harishchandra, and so on. So their names are there constantly in the history. That's why Krishna, that Bhotana, Bhagavata, like that, Bhumi and Vyoma is Sahasravrutu, is having so occupation by so many kinds of people. And to such that we have got two, that son, Asvina, Bhujyuna, Satya. And this particular Vyoma is being protected by Aswini Devatas. Whether Aswini Devatas, they are the doctors, they are the physicians, they are the twins. They are known for having the Pushkara Sraja. They always have got lotus garlands to identify their thing. So the Pushkara Sraja is the dog belt for Aswins. Yav devataku atara dog belt illa. Company madavaru ellarigu dog belt kodtaralla Mangalya. Adu hakkondre nimge admission company building olagade. So hange these are called Pushkara Sraja. And moreover, and all people like Aswins, they help all people. And what is that? Jagataspati Viswasya. So the Jagataha Pati, there is the Patitva or lordship over for the Jagat. So Bhumi, Vyoma, and all of that put together will be Jagat. And then Jagat andre star, there are number of definitions. Jagannatha anta Purid Vishnu ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ Jagannatha Swami ನಯನ ಸುಪಥಗಾಮಿ ಭವತುಮೆ ಅಂತ ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ವಂ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. He has not got any distinction. All people are same to him. So like that, we have Jagat, and that's why Nasatya, they are all truthful people, and they are Aswins themselves being born. They are the doctors, and they are never tired of protecting guarding the world of people. So this passage is a very fascinating passage where you come to know that relationship has been started. Creation admele bandhavya antu oribeku. Bandhu. See, bandhu preeti, bandhavya anodanna very well developed in Vedas. So adukku aa Vedagalali ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಬಂಧುತ್ವ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ರಾಮಾಯಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಕ್ರಿಟೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್, ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ importance is stressed in Ramayanam. But when once you leave the platform of the Ramayanam, the relationship becomes slowly dwindled and torn and torn and torn. That you see in Mahabharata itself. After Ramayana, Mahabharata is a torn relationship. Brothers and brothers, they fight. See, Prithvi nimittam abhavat kuru pandavanam yuddham anta heltare. Why at all Mahabharata war was fought? Just for the sake of land division. Brothers asked their portion of land, and Duryodhana, already being on the throne, he said, no, I can't give not that amount of land occupied by the tip of this needle anta heltane avanu. Suchya bheda, even the suchi is kept, I am not ready. Therefore, the war begins. But in Ramayana, it is not like that. You see that Bharata kept the land for himself as a king for 14 years. When Anna returned, he returned it immediately. Rajya Dhura is being shifted to that. And Rama also had so much confidence upon Bharata. When Sugriva asked the question, hey, how is it that you ask Kumbhakarna also to come and seek shelter in you? The refuge keltiyalla andre Vibhishanage Rajya anta you made a promise. How do you give any land for him? Then he said, I will give my Ayodhya to Kumbhakarna. Because he has called that he will get back Ayodhya and he can continue to remain in the forest. He doesn't want. So that much is the sacrifice spirit in Rama. He doesn't want anything for himself, but whatever he wants, whatever he has, he wants to give it out, if it is genuine. So Sugrivanige Lanka Vali Rajya kottubitidane, and Vibhishan Lanka Rajya, and because nobody claimed it, he took that and protected his brothers. So that is what I want to know about relationship. If you put a question, where from the relationship began? It is again from Veda. Nigama Vyakhyata. Vedagalalle Maharshigalu, Devatagalu tamma connection tagondidare. And they all accepted Indra as their leader. And they have got wonderful connection. They don't hate each other. All gods are always working in groups. In Chamaka Prasna, we have learned that Indra is constantly common to all the 25 gods. Agnischama Indraschame, Somaschama Indraschame, Pushachama Indraschame. Look at it. In that particular passage, you have got 25 gods. But all the gods have got their approval and approval of the authority and respect for Indra. That is the relationship culture which is inculcated to us in that. Indra andre Jeshtaha. And Ramayana namagen paatha helidare Jeshta Bhrata Pitru Samaha anta. The eldest brother is like almost father. The eldest daughter will be almost, the eldest sister is almost like mother. That is the kind of the sweetness of relations introduced in our Indian Vedic tradition. But the good agideyo, whatever is good that has been given to us, we try to attack that and make it split and split. Therefore, more and more suffering for all of us. People want property, not the parents. Amma beku, amma asti beku, amma beda. Neen itko anta division ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. So ಆ ತರಹ. But here you observe Sahasra Vrutu ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ, you please let us understand that there is that. Therefore, what is the complement? Jaya Bhumihi. Patirvyoma, and Mithunam ta aturyathu. So Mithunam andre couple, Dampatigalu. Dam andre mane. So universal manege or lordship yardu andre earth and heaven become the grand parents of the all creation, both for gods and humans are creation upon that. So bhuta prani sushti, complete sushtike, because devata kuda sushtine. Because we don't know many gods, but slowly we come to know that he is also a god. ಈ ಗ್ರಾಮ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಹಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಗ್ರಾಮ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ಗ್ರಾಮ ದೇವತಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಗ್ರಾಮ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಗ್ರಾಮಗಳು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮ ದೇವತೆಗಳ ಅನುಗ್ರಹದಿಂದಲೇ ಈ ಗ್ರಾಮ ದೇವತೆಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಧಿಪತಿ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರಿ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮಂ, you get a compliment for her, saying that she is the chief of all the Grama Devatas, all Devatas that rule the entire universe in different bits. Grama andre portions. So some Gramas join to become talukas, some talukas become district, some district become state, some state become the country. Is it not? So this is how the organization of our state. Like that, here we have got Mithunam ta atuhu, ethuhu, aturiyatuhu. So this is called as the Pati and Patni concept has been given to the earth and heaven. And therefore, we see this particular passage is a very interesting thing, where a close connection is wrought between the gods and men, and Agni, Rudra, and Rishis and men. They all form one unit. They are not separate. That's why we are all having the Rishi culture. So this Samavedam Sarma put it as a Rishi Peetham. India is a Peetham. Guru Peetham Taraha, Rishigal, ella Rishigalu, namge knowledge allu kottidare. That's why in the Jaya Bhumihi Patir Vyoma, we have got that. And they are designated Mithunam ta aturiyathu. So they are, and again, Putro Bruhaspati Rudraha Sarama iti Stri Pumam. So this Jaya Bhumi has got 3 children, something like Shiva and Parvati. Shiva and Parvati have got 3 children. That is the ideal family. 2 sons and 1 daughter. Here also, Bruhaspati and Rudra are the putras, Sarama is the daughter. And that daughter Sarama is symbolically taken as the Yagnavedi, because from the daughter only the Vamsodharana takes place. From the woman only the Vamsodharana takes place. Without woman, there is no creation at all. That's why in our Upanishad, our Rishis tell you, Matru Devo Bhava. So Bija Vapana is done by the father, and creation, Srushti, concretization or physical form of the Srishti is provided by the mother. And in Aitareya Upanishad, you have got a beautiful clue saying that it is a man who conceived the child first. And that man institutes that child sperm into the woman. And woman has got the factory, the womb. For about 9 months, she will manufacture the baby and deliver it fit to be living in the world. So by 5th month, the baby is ready. Factory completion of marketing is ready. But there will be a lot of testing, whether it can stand the stress of time and atmosphere. So 2 more probation months are there for the fetus or for the baby. And after 7th or 8th month, the baby is ready to get into the world. It cannot remain in the womb. It should not remain. If at all it is taken out, it will be kept in incubator. So 1 day outside is equal to 1 week in the incubator. So that's how they have got an equation. So people born out, if they are not ready to stand the air atmosphere, they will put in. So like that, here we have got Sarama, it is Stri Pumam. The Vedic fire altar, Sarama, is the daughter. And from Vedic altar, Sarama, we have got the children coming out because of the male and female children are born from that. So yajna is the yajna bhumi, or yajna is the cause for the srushti. That's exactly what we are going to see in Purusha Suktam. And our Shankar missed it. Next time we try to log in, because Purusha Sukta is a wonderful source where from we understand the entire cosmos, entire creation, and also connection with all these things. So that's why here we have Sarama, it is three, man. So we got that relationship between earth and heaven, and also earth is the form of a wife, and heaven is the form of a husband, and one is a nurse and another is a protector. That's why we have got South, and another example we have got in Yajurveda is what we call a Sautramani Yajna. Nimgottilla, there are 12 major sacrifices in Yajurveda, beginning from Darsha Purnamasa and coming up to Sarvamedha Yajna, and afterwards we embark upon the Isavasya Upanishad in Yajurveda. So, ಎಷ್ಟು ಯಜ್ಞಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯಾಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಫಿಲಸಾಫಿಕಲ್. ವೇದಾಂತ ಬೋಧ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋನು ಹಾಳಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಗೊಂಬೆ ಅಂತ 26 ಗಂಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಗೊಂಬೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಡ್ವೆ ನನ್ನ ಪುರಾಣ, ನನ್ನ ಗೊಂಬೆ ಪುರಾಣ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. 4th ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಜೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಸೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಳಿಯ ಹಿಂಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಹಿಂಗಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನೂ DA ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. These are all the kinds of talk that people indulge in the senior citizens in the 4th block, not allowing the shoppers to go make shopping. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮೆಟ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. That's what once upon a time seen. So what to say that people are advised to get into philosophy. Philosophy means love for wisdom. Therefore, Sarama, Stri Pumam, Sarama, and the Sarama is the daughter, and daughter is the Yagnavedi, and where from you get children, both male and female. Sarama, it is Stri Pumam. Arthadala. So beautiful. Estondu concept, estondu mythological, symbolic, mystical, and all in significations are there. ನಾವು ಪಾರಾಯಣ ಅಂತ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ದೇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಮೀಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ. Yama has got punya meter 1 and Vishnu has got also another meter like KEB or BWSSB like that. But ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಮೀಟರ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡಲ್ಲ, because there will be nobody, no bill collector from them. But ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ after leaving the body what is what ಅಂತ. Anyway, so
just to mention, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಜನ್ಮದಲ್ಲೇ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. It is unbelievable for us. Journey is so smooth and we are blessed, sir. Just to mention. Thank you.
But ನನಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, it's all Paramatma making me to talk all these things.
Who else can deliver, sir? Who else can give us this? And we are all we are blessed and now punya ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ sir. ಬಹಳ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ.
So that's why it is easy for us to understand the cosmos, yes, the cosmological principles, the behavior, because we are all told that there are several horizons.
Yes, sir.
There is not one horizon, but many horizons are there, which I was able to come to knowledge and explanation when I visited the World Conference in Fairfield in Maharshi Dev Samskriti University, Maharshi University. In Fairfield, that Maharshi Yogi has a very big yoga university where this they all transcendental meditation classes and all that is there. When I attended the conference and all that, I could understand the professors there are so much oriented not to depend only on this Earth planet, but they are able to traverse and show so much on the in the slides with slates and all that. So when you are attending such lectures, you may be sitting in the auditorium, but you are not there. Something like sleeping on the bed, but you are off when you get into a dream. The dream land is different from your physical land. So in dreamland, you don't know what you are going to be like. Like that, ಈ ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಂತ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we are able to understand the origination, growth, and culmination of our knowledge. Therefore, our culmination of knowledge ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಜ್ಞಗಳಿಂದ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಈ ಪುರುಷೋಕ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಯಜ್ಞೇನ ಯಜ್ಞಮ ಯಜಂತ ದೇವಾಃ ತಾನಿ ಧರ್ಮಾಣಿ ಪ್ರಥಮಾನ್ಯಾಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಯಜ್ಞ is one and yajna is another and yajna is conclusion. So dhyana dhyatru dheya rupa dharma dharma vivarjita in Lalita Sahasranama, it is said that she is at the dhyana point, she is at the dhyatru meditator point, and she is at the goal point, dheya. Dhyana dhyatru dheya rupa anta heluvaga, it is Lalita Parameswari who initiates, who will be practitioner, and who will be giving you the culmination of your practice. That's exactly what even Krishna in Bhagavad Gita emphasized in 10th chapter. That's called Vibhuti Yoga. He says, I am there at all point. He said, I have divided myself into 7 rishis and then 4 manus. In sloka number 6 or 7 tells you, afterwards only all creation has come into being. Estu chenagi 10th chapter li Purushsukta is explained by Bhagavad Gita in 10th chapter. Mukhadindrascha agnischa ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಈ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ even here you see, we have seen that Indra and Agni, Rudra is Agni only. So how they are born as children to the cosmos, parents. So that's why this particular passage is very beautiful. Sarama is daughter, Putra Bruhaspati and Rudra are the sons. Bruhaspati andre ಋಷಿಗಳು, ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್. ರುದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾರಿಯರ್, ರುದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈಟರ್, ರುದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟರ್, ರುದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಲರ್, ರುದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ everything. That's why tam ugram, in Devi Sukta we have noted tam ugram karomi tam rushim tam sumedham. I have absolute freedom. The Adishakti tells us, I have absolute freedom. If I want a person, I will make him an engineer. If I want a person to be a doctor, I will make him a doctor. If the engineer wants to become doctor, he will fail. For example, I remember my nephew is there. He got admission in engineering college, but entrance examination, he was taking medical entrance for all the 3 years, and he was not getting any seat at all in medicine. So, 3 ಸಲ ಪಾಪ entrance examination medical entrance. But he could not manage, but he wanted to become a doctor, but ultimately became an engineer. And now he's retired as an engineer. So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನನಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, see, our desire must be countersigned by the divine people. ನಾವೇನೋ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಪಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗಾಡು ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರುದ್ರ and Bruhaspati. Rudra standing for heroism, Veeratvam, and Bruhaspati standing for intelligence. If you are able to go to moon land or Mars planet or moon planet and undergoing all that rigorous discipline to stay in the Sputnik or in that then it is not easy. I could see that documentary and realized, Amma Baba, nobody, it's ordinarily not possible. But it's possible for human, because there is nothing impossible for man. That's exactly what has been demonstrated by Rama. So Yuddha Kandadalli Rama ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಸೀತಾ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ದೈವ ಸಂಪಾದಿತೋ ದೋಷಃ ಮಾನುಷೇಣ ಪದಾತಿನ ಮಯಾ ವಿಮುಕ್ತಃ. See, what dosha to our family pedigree has been brought forth by God. Daiva sampadito, that is wife being abducted. Never Rama and Lakshmana imagined that it's that kind of accident at all. But when both are not there, Sita missing. So that is called Daiva Sampadito Dosha. But Manushena, man, that too, Padatina. Padati means walking, working. See, unless you walk, you don't reach the goal. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೋಲ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, ನೀವು ಗೋಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. That's exactly what Padandara. Even Purandaradasa also told that Neenu Padadindale Yatra Madu Antane. So you just go. Shankaracharya has gone the entire India 3 times. And it's really miracle, yogic. Within the short time, he traveled. So Asetu Himachala Paryantam, Shankaracharya has his name. When you go to Badrinath or Kedarnath or Sri Sailam or anywhere you go, Shankara, 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 Shankara. So that is what we has done. Shankara, Madhva, Ramanuja. Well, they're all gone to Himalayas and they met Vyasa Bhagavan and got it. So like that, when we see that, we have all these things. So now we come to the next one. I hope you understood. We should see Shukram Vaman Yadjajatam Vamanyato. This mantra, Shukram Vanu, Rugvedali, Yajurvedali Bharatta. And this mantra is an addressal for both Java and Prithvi, because they become Java Prithvis are Devatas. These Devatas are cause for the day and night. So Prithvi night agbidutte, Akasha light ide. So Surya and Prithvi, so light and darkness, they are always vying each other. But which is volunteering between them? Srinivas avare heli, what is that? Between light and darkness, which is volunteering? Which will go far, which will be mobile? Yesterday I told you.
Light, sir.
Light hodre darkness hotogatte. Simple example. Krishna wanted to meet Duryodhana and he was decorating himself with so many things and also choosing a kiritam. And that car driver, when delay happened, comes and sees Krishna. He asked him, where are you going? No, we are going to meet Duryodhana. What? To meet Duryodhana, you are going. He should come and meet you because you are a Viswataspati kada. వాడు నీ దగ్గర రావాలి కానీ నువ్వు పోవడం ఏంటి వాడి దగ్గరికి అని అడుగుతాడు. అప్పుడు కృష్ణ సేస్ నో నో నో, హీ లైక్స్ ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్టర్నాలిటీస్. నేను ఏ కిరీటం పెట్టుకుని వచ్చానని చూస్తాడు నా గౌరవం ఇవ్వడానికి, ఎటువంటి డ్రెస్ వేసుకువచ్చానని చూస్తాడు, నా డ్రెస్ చూసి నా గౌరవం ఇస్తాడు కానీ నాలో ఉన్నటువంటి విశ్వాన్ని చూడడు అంటాడు. హీ విల్ నాట్ సీ మీ ఇన్సైడ్, హీ విల్ సీ ఓన్లీ ఎంబలిష్మెంట్స్. అండ్ ఇంకో పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే Duryodhana is darkness. What raad na dagarki. No darkness goes to light. Then light goes to darkness disappears. What a beautiful concept we have got. So Krishna went to Duryodhana trying to remove his darkness. But Duryodhana remained dark. Kadaratri. So he was a Kadaratri. So he suffered. While Arjuna also is dark, but light is there constantly with him. Naranarayana Swarupam. Therefore, Arjuna, even if he wants to get darkness, he cannot continue to be dark. So, in one chapter, Arjuna cried. 17 chapters he has taken to make the cry go and fight. That is the secret of Bhagavad Gita. So light always works ultra sound, ultra light. You have got light also several divisions, several kinds. The light that goes on falls on our body, X-ray, will tell what is inside the body, is it not? So the light that focused on in our eye, outside light, but inside the light is being seen by the eye doctor. How then, Appa? So outside light and inside light. So in that light that gets knowledge of the inside of us is X-ray. You cannot name that. It's X, Paramatma. X is Paramatma. So like that, we have got the beautiful idea that Shukram Ejatam Vamanyatu and Ahani Jauhu Vishurupe Sthaha. You please underline that Sthaha means there cannot be change, permanent change. Permanent change andre artha enu, like the color of our skin. God has given skin robe, cloth, to all the contents of our body. But he wanted to make the body look beautiful, and so he has given different colors to the skin. Black, white, brown, red. But we are not satisfied with the color of our body. So we go for the clothes, colored clothes. So whatever cloth you wear over the skin, you have to remove it, temporary. But the color given to our skin is sthitaha, sthaha, permanent. ಮೈ ಬಣ್ಣ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಶಿವಲಿಂಗ ಅವರೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಬಣ್ಣಗಳು ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಮೈ ಬಣ್ಣ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ?
ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
So it cannot remove the, so black, white, red, so brown. So brown people anತಾರೆ. Yes, we can't quarrel with them. We are brown. White people anತಾರೆ. They are white. They are black anತಾರೆ. We can't, no competition, no thing, because we are that. So ಚರ್ಮದ ಬಣ್ಣ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. That's why it is called ahani ದ್ಯೌಹು ವಿಷುರೂಪೇ ಸ್ತಃ. I hope you understood the meaning. So heaven is light, earth is dark. Earth is dark because all sorts of people are there upon the earth. రాక్షసులు ఉన్నారు, పిశాచులు ఉన్నారు, దుర్మార్గులు ఉన్నారు, సన్మార్గులు ఉన్నారు, అన్ని రకాల వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు కదా అక్కడ. ఆకాశంలో దుర్మార్గులు లేరు, ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ సన్మార్గులే కదా, దేవతలందరూ మంచి వాళ్ళే. Therefore we are introduced the idea devanam sakhyamiyushe. We have to make different gods. Enduku, why should you become friends with God? Devanam ratihi abhino nivartatam. Shankar, are you remembering? In Swastino Vimitam Sukta, it is said Devanam rati rabhino nivartatam. Devatala yokka sampadalanni mana kosam ravali. A moneyed man must be having the mind to share. So alakshmim nasayamyaham upaitumam devasakaha. Alakshmi ante durma, a jealousy, durmargamu, pisinatanamu, miserliness. If you get rid of the miserliness, if you have got the liberal mind, then all people become happy. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಇಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. So Microsoft, that Bill Gates or Bata or these people are there. That Bill Gates' personal room is so simple compared to, though he is responsible for so much. So he has put up a board in the Microsoft buildings. Don't waste money, because Microsoft people get plenty of money, is it not? So don't waste money on the board hakidare building alli. I wondered, does anybody like that? Don't waste money, be judicious anta. Because Microsoft people are given food, sport, everything they are supplied. They don't have scope to spend their money at all. So because they have to spend money, they should not waste money. That's the idea. So like that, here we have got, but the idea is Vishu Rupe. Vishu andre multi, motley, M-O-T-L-E-Y. See, rakarakala manushyulu unnaru kadandi. No two people are same, though they live in same family. ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಬಾಕಿಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಗುಲಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಉಪ್ಪು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತೀಯಾ, ಅದಾಗ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮೇಲೆ ಜೋರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ ಶಿವಲಿಂಗ ಅವರೇ? There is only one or two daughters. We will go and sympathize and help amma. ಆ ಪಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟವ್ ಅಂಟಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಮಾಡೋರು. So there is only always ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋರು ವಿರಳಾಹ. There are few people who really help, more people who demand and command. So here it says that Vishwarupe ahani jaurisi, and next is Vishwahi Maya. Please repeat.
Vishwahi Maya. Vishwahi Maya.
Avathaswadhavau swadhavantau.
Avathaswadhavantau. Avathaswadhavantau.
Bhadram va.
Bhadravaam. Bhadravaam.
Pushana vihatirastu.
Bhushana viharati rastu.
Look at the divine administration and management, Srinivas. Here, Pushanau Ratihi Bhadra Ratihi Avam Iha Astu. See, whatever rich wealth, positive wealth that the Pushan Devatas, Pushan is Surya Bhagavan.
Yes.
Whatever rich wealth and power and all that which Surya Bhagavan has got, all that has got to be deposited upon the earth. So people upon the earth are deriving thousands of benefits because of sun. ಹೌದಾ ಶಿವಲಿಂಗನವರೇ? ಸೊ ಈ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ರೈನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೇನೆ BD ಅವರು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸೇವ್ ದ ರೈನ್ ವಾಟರ್ and you should make amenity like that. Therefore, Pushanau Vishwa Bhadram Ratihi. Rati ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಂಪದಗಳು. ಅವರ ರಾತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಭದ್ರಾ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನನ ಸಂಪದಗಳು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಮಾಯಾ ಅವ್ಯಥ ಸ್ವಧಾವಂತಹ. ಸ್ವಧಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಡ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗು all sorts of people must be able to get food for their living, whether in water, whether in the Hakasham or anywhere you are, you should get food. That's why people have got their food habits divided. Terrestrial seafood ತಿಂತಾರೆ, ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಂತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೋಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ ಬಲ್ಲಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಏನ್ ತಿಂತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್ ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ, ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚಸ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಅವಥ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಧಾವಂತಹ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರವರ ಫುಡ್ ರಕರಕ ವಿಧವಾದ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈವನ್ ಭೂಲೋಕ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈವನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಭೂಲೋಕಂ. ಅಂಡರ್ನೀತ್ ದಿ ವಾಟರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್? ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. If you think of the Pacific Ocean, what is the depth of the Pacific Ocean? 14 miles deep water. 14 ಮೈಲ್ ಡೀಪ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ನದಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫುಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನದಿ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಯು ನೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ರಿವರ್. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಅಂತ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಡೂಬ್ ಜಾರ್ತೆ ಹೈ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಓ ಮುಳುಗೋಗ್ತಿರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರಿವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಮಾಯಾ. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಳ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ರಿವರ್ಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ when you enter into the river, you go very slow, is it not? You don't run into the waters. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ? So that you will be gazing how far you can go into the river water. So that's why there is a saying in English, by standing at the bank of the river, you don't know the depth of the river. Is it not? So when you start into the river, then you know. That's why you see here you have got that Vishwamaya and Swadhavantau Avatha Pushanau Iha Ratihi Astu. And that Rati should be Bhadra. Beautiful, alva? ಯಾವ ಸಂಪದ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಸಂಪದದಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಾಟರ್. The water is not upon the ground, it is from heaven. And water is such that you can drink whether you are ill or well. Therefore, is it not water Bhadra Ratihi? Shankar, yes. So, He is born in water, becomes full in the water, and gets cooked in water and digested in water in the stomach. So ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾರೆ, because it helps digestion. Therefore, ಈ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಗೋಧಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, all these 11 ಧಾನ್ಯಾಸ್, ಗೋಧೂಮಾಶ್ಚಮೇ ಮಸುರಾಶ್ಚಮೇ ಪ್ರಿಯಂಗವಶ್ಚಮೇಣವಶ್ಚಮೇ ಶ್ಯಾಮಾಕಾಶ್ಚಮೇ ನೀವಾರಾಶ್ಚಮೇ ಯಜ್ಞೇನ ಕಲ್ಪಂತಾಂ. ಯಜ್ಞ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So your caretaking will make all these grains brought up, and all these grains become food for you, and all these grains become your energizers, and our life will be continued on the ground, is it not? So chamaka prashnalli iro days alla adakella karana andre, that's why here bhadra ratihi aiha vam he pushan astu. The pushan is also one of the division of the adityas. Mitra ravi surya bhanu kakapusha hiranyagarbha savitrarka bhaskarebhyo marichi bhaskarebhyo namaha. Ali nodidra? So pushan is also one of the adityas, and this aditya is a big chief administrator. By taking the help of the officers. Who are the officers? 12 officers are there. Adaralli Pusha is one kind of portfolio, and Sarama, Aryama is another, and Khaga is another, and like that Mitra. That's why Mitra is earliest. So in Sandhya Vandanam Pratah Kalam we say Mitrasya Charshani Dhrutaha. Who is that Mitra? Charshani andre Janaru, Mandi. Dhrutaha andre supporter. All people on the land are being supported by Surya Bhagavan. He is the chief officer, CEO.
Yeah, Aryaman, one of
Aryama is the chief of the Pitru Devatas, departed souls.
Departed.
So ಬದುಕಿರುವಾಗ ಮಿತ್ರರು, ಸತ್ತೋದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಿತೃದೇವತೆಗಳ ಅರ್ಯಮ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಸೂರ್ಯನೇ.
Surya Namaskar also, you have Mitraya Namaha, Khagaya Namaha, 12 postures.
Yeah. So Mitra Ravi Surya Bhanu Khagapusha Hiranyagarbha Savitrarka Bhaskar Marichi Bhaskarebhyo Namaha Namaskaram Samarpayami Om Namo Narayanaya. Yakandre Namaskara Priyo Bhanu avನಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಖರ್ಚಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಪ್ರೀತಿವಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, you not spend 1 paisa. 2 ಕೈ 10 fingers ಜೋಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸಾರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರಿ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಪ್ರಿಯೋ. ಬಟ್ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಇಸ್ ಹೈಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಗಾಡ್. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅಲಂಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಅಲಂಕಾರ ಪ್ರಿಯೋ ವಿಷ್ಣು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ ಮಣಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೇಕಂತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲಾಜಿ ಅರೋರಾ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಕಟಾರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕತ್ತಿ. ಒರಿಜಿನಲಿ ದಟ್ ಕತ್ತಿ ಟು ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್. ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಕತ್ತಿ ರೆಪ್ಲಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಬಂಗಾರಿಂದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ದುಡ್ಡು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಡಾಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸನ್ನಿಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್, presented one katti to him, because without sword Venkatramana Swami is hopeless. Therefore ಆ ಕಠಾರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಖಡ್ಗ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಖಡ್ಗಮಾಲಾ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರಂ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಬರೀ ಲಲಿತಾ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮ ಪಾರಾಯಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲಲಿತಾ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೈ ಕತ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಖಡ್ಗಮಾಲಾ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರ ಕೂಡ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್. ಹಾಗೆ ವಿಹಾರ ಆತಿರಸ್ತು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್. I can keep on going on. It is day for us, but for you, I should mind you. We'll continue. I hope you love that Varuna Prashna because of so much of information provided in this.
Shanno Bhavat Varyama, and same Aryaman.
Aryama is the Pitru Devatas. Pitru Anugraha is most important for all people living upon the earth.
Sunna Bhavatva Aryaman.
If you build a building, it is Devata Anugraha. If you make interior and exterior decoration, it's Pitru Anugraha. ನೋಡಿ ಪಿತೃ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೇನೆ ವಸ್ತು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೇನೆ ಸೋಫಾ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. So
Rati means stone, right? Like
Rati, no, tappu. Rati means sampada.
Sampada.
And Rati andre sampada which is eligible for sharing. Sumne bank balance ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಸ್ಬುಕ್.
In Telugu we call Rati Yuga and all, right?
అది రాతి కాదు, రాయి రాళ్ళు, తర్వాత రాతులు అయింది. జకారానికి తకారానికి డిఫరెన్స్ వస్తుంది.
Okay, got it.
సో రాళ్ళు, రాయి.
Right.
రాతి is సంపద in Sanskrit.
Okay, got it.
రాళ్ళు సంపద కదండి, రాళ్లలో దేవుడు ఉంటాడు కదా, రాళ్ల నుంచే దేవుడు చెక్కుతారు. రాయి పడి ఉంటే when stone is there in the ground you will kick it. బట్ అదే స్టోన్ నుంచి విగ్రహం తయారు చేస్తే నమస్కారం పెట్టి టెంకాయ కొట్టి మంగళార్తి చేస్తాం. దట్స్ వై ఇన్ లలిత ఇన్ లక్ష్మీ నరసింహ సహస్రనామ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ శిలా రూపం, శిలా సింహాయ నమో నమః.
ఓకే.
సో రాళ్ల రూపంలో ఉంటాడు ఎప్పుడు నరసింహస్వామి. ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఫౌండ్ ఆన్ ది మౌంటైన్స్ అండ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఫౌండ్ ఆన్ ది గ్రౌండ్. ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎ గ్రౌండ్ గాడ్. మృగోన భీమ కుచరో గిరిష్ఠాః. గిరిష్ట అంటే ఫౌండ్ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ ఇన్ ది పర్వతాస్. సింహాచలం కానీ, సింహాచలము, యాదగిరి గుట్ట అండ్ అహోబలం అంతా ఆకాశంలోనే ఉంటుంది. Therefore Narasimha is and similarly Subramanya Swami. He is also found in the mountains. But we bring him down on the ground and we build temples. But basically he's a Krauncha Parvatam. So like the gods nu మనం భూమిలో కానీ తీసుకురావాలి. వస్తారు, ఏం చేస్తాము, because they love us. They have to come down. So, like that. So thank you. We'll stop here and we'll continue next. So next Wednesday. Sri Gurubhyo Namah. Om Swasti Sahana
Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Garavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sri Gurubhyo Namah. Hari Om.
Om Tassat.
Veda Purusho Asirvadamastu. Hari Om Tassat.
I think without interruption we can keep on going with Aruna Bhagavan. I think Srinivas and all of you are liking the Aruna Prashna. Nave ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥವಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಬಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. Very nice.
Ram Kashipatla has given me this book already. And I want to give this to many people. I am waiting for the next vacation.
Yeah, when I come back, I will give you many copies you can share.
Yes, sir. We would like to do, and we want to have you here, sir. And then from your hand, you should go to many people. That is our desire.
I will give the copies to you because we have got. Unfortunately, we never knew that we take so much time here. Yeah. And normally we used to return before 6 months or even 4 or 5 months. Admele barta idve, but this time. This COVID and other problems kept us here only. Otherwise, I will share. In fact, I asked Shankar also to come to Hyderabad to collect books, but he could not do it. Next time when he comes to Hyderabad, when I am in India, both of us.
Uncle, Bangalore, Hyderabad.
Bangalore. So when you come to Bangalore to our house, I will give you books.
Sure.
We have to show something to attract you.
Yeah,
so all publications are there. 27 volumes are there, you imagine. That's why I tell all of you, share Mantra Pushpamlo Pushpam Laga cost of publication. And moreover, next we are getting Agnikaryam, Punyavachanam, Raghunyasam and Lagunyasam and then other Mahanyasam. These are all coming with English translation, notes and meanings. By next year, I believe I want to bring out a booklet like that released. Because these are all very important things for our life.
Right.
Moksham, we have to go to sky, is it not? Sky is light. Earth is dark.